Yes, today we are going to have full detailed information on this particular products. So now before moving ahead, if you are new, then welcome to my channel. My name is Meghna Manjrekar and my channel's name is Meghna Manjrekar Hauls and Reviews. If you are new, I would like you to subscribe my channel. That is, you can press the red subscribe button. Next to it there is a small bell icon. You can hit that bell icon as well for the notifications about my future uploads. And since it is absolutely free, even you can ask your friends and family also to subscribe my channel. Now, from the beginning itself, you all must have come to know that today we are going to have full in-depth details about this particular product. It is basically a new launch from Lakme Absolute. It is their precision lip paint, superior definition. That is what is written. You can see the box. In this box, it comes. Okay, this is the outer covering. Okay, it's kind of a diamond shaped, like diamond shaped. You all can see it is little bit different. Right, in over here on one side it says intense matte color, and on the other side it says expert brush. It do comes with individual brush. So if you are purchasing one, you will get one. If you are purchasing two, you will get two brush. And if you are purchasing different, like whatever, how many amounts, you will get the brush inside each and every pack. Okay, this is basically retailing for 650 rupees one, but I got definitely directly this from Lakme's own website. I would like you to see the packaging. This is the outer packaging, the normal box. Okay, it was inside a plastic, like outside there was a plastic wrapping, and on that my address was there. And this is the inside packaging. You all can see Lakme box is there. Okay, this is the bubble wrap they have used. This is the thank you card what it comes with. It's just the thank you card for your order and all. And here there is a bill. This is not at all a sponsored video. I have got this both the lip paints by my own money, right? So just making it clear and just keeping it aside. Right now, these are the two lip paints. The color which I am going to review today is Bold Crimson and Cashmere Mauve. This is the front side, and when you flip, that is on the back side, they have given you each and every detail, like what exactly is this lip color all about. Do not litter, dispose dry waste. That is what they have given. They have given a barcode, how to use. They have given you all the details. Manufacturing is also given. Manufacturing and area code and like batch code and everything is given on the bottom of the box. And over here they have given you 3 grams. So 650 rupees for 3 grams with the brush. This is what actually this all details. When you have to just open it from here. Okay, over here it says Lakme Absolute lip paint. You just have to open, and over here you all can see the brush. I'll just take out one brush because I have taken out both the pots over here. So this is the brush. Over here you can see on the brush it is written Lakme. Okay, the plus point of this brush is it comes with a cap. Now you will say ki what is the difference? I'll tell you. I have got this Bronzen Professional lip brush. Okay, it doesn't come with any cap. Okay, it is without cap. It comes in this kind of plastic wrapping and all, but it is not with cap, whereas this one is with cap. So this is one plus point, and this is without. And of course the size is small. The Lakme one is smaller than the Bronzen one, but then size doesn't matter. What matters is with cap, right? Right now in this, size doesn't matter. So this is what the things are. The other one is also having lip brush. I'm not taking out. These are the packaging, outer packaging. I'm just keeping it aside. As I told you, the manufacturing expiry and the cost, it is given over here on the bottom. But when you take out the lip pots, that is the pots, they have given you a sticker on the bottom. On the top they have said Lakme Absolute Precision Lip Paint. That is what is written. It is with black color. Okay, when you just take out, when you just check the back, that is the bottom of the tub, they say Bold Crimson net weight, the manufacturing expiry and the batch code, everything is written. So if at all this is not possible for you to store, you can definitely throw this. You can just keep this with the brush easily and you can manage this. And the shade number is also given. So if you have, like me, more than one, then definitely on the bottom you can see, once again, yeah, it is 102 Bold Crimson. and the other one is 203 Cashmere Mauve. Right, these are the two shades. Basically this is not actually a swatch party because only two shades I have. So one of the shade is on my lip. That one is mauve, Cashmere Mauve. I forgot the name also. You all can see I have already used this. This is the lip paint. It is Cashmere Mauve. Right, this is the lip paint. I have already used it on my lips. This is what you can see. The other one is Bold Crimson. I'll just come back. I'm so sorry, there was someone at the door, so I had to be on the door. So these are the two lip paints. As I told you, they have given the names on the bottom. One which I have is Cashmere Mauve. I'll just swatch for you the Bold Crimson also on my hand, as well as I'll show you one more Bold Crimson shade. I have this in Maybelline Creamy Matte Lipstick. The shade name is Bold Crimson. Right, so what I'll do is I'll just take this brush because I've already used this brush and it is already spoiled, so I don't want to spoil this brush, but definitely you can do this. You can. What I'll do is I'll do with this only, not the bronzen one. This is the lip brush, so you will come to know. I'll just swatch for you first Bold Crimson. This is the lip paint. I'm just doing with this brush so that you will come to know how it swatches. Right, this is the Lakme Absolute Paint one. Now I'll just swatch the Bold Crimson of Maybelline Creamy Matte. Yeah, I've swatched Bold Crimson only, but both the shades are totally different. So if you are having Maybelline Creamy Matte and if you are thinking you cannot buy the Bold Crimson in this, definitely no, both the shades are very different from each other. Right, now this is the what I have. As I told you, I'm telling you again and again, but still this is Cashmere Mauve. What I'll do is I'll just remove this. I'll apply in front of the camera so that you will come to know how much time it will take. I won't go off the camera now. I'll apply in front of camera only. So first I'll remove this. Yes, now you all can see it doesn't leave any kind of stain or anything behind. It doesn't leave anything. Okay, so now what I'll do is I'll just apply now the Bold Crimson shade. I'm just checking the names again because I don't want to mess up. Now I'm taking the lip paint. I'm taking my mirror. Yes, now what I'll do is I'll just fast forward that clip and I mention the timestamp, how much time I took just to apply one lipstick. That is from the pot with the brush, how much time I took. And you can check when you have this kind of bullet lipstick, will you be taking that much time? Check out that, because I have already noticed, no, we do not take that much of time. So now what I'm just removing the shade from my brush. I'm cleaning my brush. Have a proper swatch. Now I'll swatch for you Cashmere Mauve. I've taken, just swatching here. You can see this one, first one is Cashmere Mauve, second one is Bold Crimson, and this one, the last one is from the Maybelline. Okay, now this is what the swatch of Bold Crimson is. It is very comfortable to apply, easy. You can you don't require any much effort and not easily applicable, smooth while application, but it takes lot of time. Now we'll just check. This is, they do not claim anything, but this is my hand without anything. We'll just see whether it transfers. Of course it will transfer. Yes, it is transferring. Right, now you will ask me my final conclusion. I'll just tell you few of the points which you need to keep in mind. First is the price point, which is 650 rupees, 3 grams, right? Second factor is you have to if you are a makeup artist or something, then okay, you can keep multiple pots and all, then it is good for you. But if you are a normal person who just wants to apply lipstick and all, then that is going to be a little bit not tricky, but then little bit difficult, because every time you have to take this with the lip brush. If you are directly applying with your fingers, yes you can, but you cannot make the cupids go proper, you cannot apply on the corners of the lips and all. So definitely you do require the lip brush. Of course it comes with the lip brush, but then if you forget to carry, then you will end up messing up your lipstick. That is the second point. Third point is you do get 10 shades in that. I'll just open Nykaa and I'll show you right now. Majority of the shades are, only one shade is available, that is Victorian Magenta. Y'all can see. Rest all shades are out of stock. So if you are planning to buy, I will suggest you can definitely go and check Lakme's own website also. They have few good exciting offers. Like when I checked Nykaa, when already I had ordered from Lakme, but after 1 or 2 days I checked on Nykaa, they were having some offer that buy this 2 lip pens at 999 rupees. But before 2 days, I had already ordered from Lakme. Same offer I got from Lakme, that if I order 2 lip paints, I will get in 999 rupees. That is 1000 rupees. So each pot costed me around 500 rupees. So 500. Now you will ask me then why I was damn sure that I do not want this, but I got it for you all to know, right? If you are checking the lipstick, definitely 500, 650 basic cost, MRP is 650 rupees. Then in 650 rupees you do get better lipsticks, normal, which you can easily carry. This is going to be little bit tricky, as I told you, if you are not an artist, right? Second thing, you have to carry the lip brush and everything, and you get say 3 grams. Whereas if I am not wrong, if you check the lipstick, I think in lipstick you get, once again let me check, in Maybelline you get 3.9 gram. In this you get 3 grams, in this you get 3.9 gram. That is normal lipstick, you get 3. This is in Maybelline, you get 3.9 gram. Of course in Maybelline you go and check, you have thousands of shades, whereas in this you have 10 shades. Even that all 10 shades are leaning towards pinks and reds. Majority are like pinks and reds. There is hardly one, but that is too purple, Victorian Magenta, which I just showed you. That is kind of purple shade, if I'm not wrong. Not like I cannot apply that kind of shade, right? And other shades are very common. I think 1 or 2 shades are only nude shades, which is not actually enough shade range. Just 10 shades is not actually enough, right? Now we'll just compare this with the Nykaa's lip palette, because this is what the palette I'm having, as I told you in the beginning. Now if you compare, over here you get 9 shades. Total gram in this is 13.5. So if you calculate each, then it will be, I think, around 1.3 or 1.5 approximate, right? This retails for 799 rupees, and in 799 rupees you get 9 options. So if you want something like this, you want to have lip brush, and of course in this you do not get lip brush, but definitely you must be having lip brush in your collection, because if not, then even you can purchase like me also, as I did, 80 or 90 rupees one lip brush. I got it from Bronzen. Because of this palette I got it separately, so 80-90 rupees. So if you calculate 799, that is 800 plus 100, 900 rupees. But in 900 rupees you are getting 13.5 grams, as well as you are getting 9 options over here. 9 options over here. If you are spending that much of money, I spent 1000 rupees and I got 2 options and 2 lip brush. I'm not going to use 2 lip brush at a time. I'm just going to use 1 lip brush, because I'm only going to apply on my lips. I'm not a professional person, right? So you can keep that things also in mind. So if you are a makeup artist and all, I will suggest you, not a sponsored video. Nykaa is not sponsoring me. Nobody is sponsoring me. As I told you, I got this product by my own money, but I just wanted to have the clear idea in all your mind that if you are buying this, definitely you are spending a lot of money. So rather this, you can go for this, and if not this also, I'm not telling you go for this lip palette only. You can buy individual lipsticks also, because let's be frank, we are not going to use the lipstick that is 3.5 or maybe 3 grams also in whole lifetime. I don't think, because we all have lot of lipsticks in option. At least I have. So of course even you must be also having. So my final thought, these 2 products, pass. Don't purchase. Very expensive, shade range limited, lip brush problem, carry problem, not actually travel friendly, all these problems. Rest is final is up to you. If you want, definitely you can go ahead and you can buy. I am no one to tell you, but this is what my thinking and my suggestion is to you all. I think I have covered each and every point, but still if you have any other query or anything to ask me, definitely you can leave a comment in the comment section, or else you can DM me on Instagram also. I'll give you my Instagram handle also. And if you have any other video suggestions which you want me to make a video on, leave that in the comment section, right? And if you are watching till here, that means you like my content. If yes, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up. Share this video with your friends and family. As I always say, your one like encourages me to make such more 100 videos. So please don't go without liking. Please, it's a request. Yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.